Hello guys, I'm Julian and today in this video I show you how you can install an AZDOME kit for car DVR. You need to install this kit if you want to record with your dashcam in the parking mode. This kit has 3 wires. These wires must be connected to the car's fuse panel or where you have the fuse box. My kit in this video came with the blue fuse. This blue fuse have 15 amps. So in my case I need to search for 2 slots of 15 amps, one when have power all the time and one when have power only when I start the car. Red wire it is ACC and yellow one is BAT and the black is the ground. Red one has power only when you start the car and yellow one have power all the time. And be careful when you put this cable in the fuse box. If you see, the wire come from the right. You need the right to be without power, the left with the power. Like this the fuse work correctly. This is the device. It is an AZDOME, but you can use other type of device. This device have protection for the battery. If you don't have the free slot like me, you need to use this type of adapter. In this picture I mark with red the pin who need to connect to the power. Like this the fuse works correctly. Now I start to search for the slots of 15 amps. You can see the power of the slots in the diagram of the car. Remember, each fuse color has a certain number of amps. I put this image on the right to see the color and the number of amps for each one. This is my diagram. Here you can see the place of the fuse, and here you see the number of the fuse and how many amps does each one have.
There is the ground over there. I don't know if you see. Red one ACC and yellow one BAT. The red one starts when the car is start. The yellow one have the power all the time. I put here this one. And the cable is there. This is all.
This is the device for AZDOME. You can use another device. I use AZDOME because I have the dash cam from AZDOME. This tutorial works on other device too, is the same thing. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you subscribe Don't cost you anything and help me a lot. Hit the like button and have a nice day.